Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
The Bank of Jamaica's BOJ Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) has become more hawkish in its tone to reflect the gradual different realities more than 6 months ago after it increased its policy rate in September. The MPC is responsible for determining the policy rate of the BOJ, which feeds into the financial system and sets the basis for interest rates in the country. After starting its Caribbean expansion nearly a decade ago, Starbucks Corporation will see the addition of 4 new licensed stores in Trinidad and Tobago during 2022, and Guyana's first store to be opened between September to November by Trinidadian-based Prestige Holdings Limited (PHL), which won the development rights for the country. Starbucks currently has a presence of more than 70 stores across 10 markets in the Caribbean. In the English-speaking Caribbean, Caribbean Coffee Traders Limited (CCTL), a joint venture between Ian Dare and Adam Stewart, has the rights to develop stores in Jamaica, Barbados, Turks and Caicos, the Cayman Islands, and Panama.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.